the rest of the body, I'm going to draw it in another layer. If you check here, the head is already above the body, so the layer of the first two legs, it have to be the layer under the face. Check here, this is the layer of the face, this is the moon. I don't need this one now anymore, so I'm going to erase it from the basket. Okay, I'm going to bring a new layer. It have to be under the face here. Okay, let's see. Okay, you have to check as much as you can. You are drawing in the right layer. First of all, I'm going to bring the hands. One. I think the face is still away a little bit from the body, but don't worry, we're going to fix it. Okay, this is the first leg. I'm going to make it like that, and here the rest body here. So I'm going to back to the face layer. Transform, bring it down a little bit like that. Wow, it's better now. I'm going to erase a part from, I have to check I'm already in the body layer and start to erase this part. I don't need it now. Okay, it looks like that. The body, I need to fix the moon a little bit. Transform, rotate it to be suitable with the body. Okay, we're going to go to transform to fix our moon. I'm going to choose the perspective and choose that one to make it better. Okay, like that. I think I'll make it now is better. Okay, and then right now it's better. I think I need to fix this area. To be looks like that. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the tail. The tail is already above the moon here, so I'm going to make it above the moon here and make it this smaller to check it, and then I'm going to draw the tail. Okay. It looks like and this is our tail of our fox. Okay, mistakes here, so I'm gonna bring my eraser. I prefer the deep one and make the opacity to the end. Check here. It will be perfect in drawing, sorry, not drawing, in erasing parts. Soft. It looks like that. And then we're going to put all the layers in group. And another plus here, if you open it, we have add folder. If you're going to check a new folder, it's already created here. I'm going to drag it up, hold it from 3 lines and drag it up, drag this to, drag it to the right, drag it to the right. Now all our drawing in a one folder. If you check that, it's over here. Everything together. Now you can move them together, resize it as you want. Okay, and right. I'm going to create a new folder, layer, and then I'm gonna drag it down here. The layer of drawing the lines here, I need to make the opacity, it's around 36 or 20. It have to be obvious for you because we're going to color now. Okay.